Did you know that pairing eggs with certain foods can lead to vision loss? Did you know that even eggs, those protein-packed champions of health, have their friend and foe when it comes to food pairings? Yes, eggs, brimming with nutrients and known for their vision-protecting benefits, can be part of some less-than-ideal culinary duos. Fear not, for I've gathered a treasure trove of wisdom on this very topic. I'm about to reveal the top 3 culinary allies and adversaries of eggs, guiding you towards safeguarding your sight with every bite. Here are 3 great combinations of eggs with other foods that can significantly support eye health. Number 1. Eggs and spinach. Eggs and spinach make a power duo, especially when it comes to eye health. Let's break it down. Eggs are not just for breakfast, they're packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that sound like they belong in a superhero squad. These nutrients are your eye's best friends, helping to protect against macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss as we age. So if you want to keep your future looking bright, eggs should be a staple in your diet. Now enter spinach, another nutritional powerhouse. Spinach is also loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, making it a vision-enhancing machine. When you combine eggs and spinach, you're not just making a delicious omelet, you're giving your eyes some serious backup. Here's the kicker. The fat in eggs helps your body absorb these nutrients even better. Think of eggs as the delivery driver that ensures all the eye-saving goodness from spinach gets where it needs to go. So while Popeye ate spinach for his muscles, you can enjoy this combo for your eyesight. The next time you're whipping up breakfast or dinner, consider tossing some spinach into your scrambled eggs. Your eyes will thank you, and you'll feel like you're doing more than just cooking. You're crafting a vision-boosting masterpiece. And hey, it tastes pretty great too. Number 2. Eggs and carrots. Eggs and carrots might sound like an odd combo at first, but they're a dream team when it comes to supporting your vision. Carrots are famous for being loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is the MVP for your eyesight, especially when it comes to preventing night blindness. So, if you want to keep seeing clearly in the dark, carrots should be on your menu. No more tripping over the coffee table in the middle of the night. Now, let's bring eggs into the picture. Eggs contain healthy fats, and here's the magic. These fats help your body absorb more beta-carotene from the carrots. In other words, eating carrots with eggs is like upgrading from a regular pair of glasses to supervision mode. The nutrients from carrots get a boost in effectiveness, making sure your eyes get the maximum benefit. This pairing isn't just great for your eyesight, it's delicious too. Whether you mix carrots into an omelet, roast them together, or enjoy them in a salad with a hard-boiled egg, your taste buds and your eyes will be happy. Plus, it's a simple way to sneak in some extra nutrition without feeling like you're eating a healthy meal. So if you want to see the world a little clearer, don't skip this duo. Eggs and carrots are the ultimate eye health tag team, ready to keep your vision sharp. Number 3. Eggs and avocado. Eggs and avocado, now that's a combo as smooth as your favorite brunch dish. But beyond their creamy, tasty appeal, this duo packs a serious punch when it comes to eye health. Both eggs and avocados are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerhouse antioxidants that work together to protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of macular degeneration. So basically, this pairing is like putting your eyes on VIP status. What makes this even better is the healthy fats found in both eggs and avocados. These fats aren't just there to make your food taste amazing, they also play a key role in helping your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins, like vitamin A and E, which are crucial for vision health. So, when you combine eggs and avocado, you're doubling up on eye-friendly nutrients and ensuring your body gets the most out of them. Whether you mash avocado on toast with a poached egg or enjoy a tasty avocado and egg salad, this pairing isn't just Instagram-worthy, it's a nutritional powerhouse. And let's be honest, it's hard to find a more satisfying, delicious way to keep your eyes in top shape. So, the next time you're wondering what to whip up, don't overlook this creamy, nutrient-packed duo. Eggs and avocado aren't just trendy, they're a vision-boosting dream team that'll keep your eyes happy and healthy for the long haul. These combinations promote overall eye health, reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, and support night vision. Now, here are 3 combinations of eggs with other foods or items that can be harmful to both general and eye health, particularly when consumed regularly or in large quantities. Number 1. Eggs and processed meats, e.g. bacon or sausage. Eggs and processed meats, like bacon or sausage, may be a breakfast staple, but they're not doing your eyes any favors. Sure, they taste great, but let's look at what's really happening here. Processed meats are loaded with saturated fats, sodium, and nitrates. Ingredients that might make your mouth happy, but not your body, especially your eyes. High levels of sodium and saturated fats can increase your blood pressure, which doesn't just affect your heart. Elevated blood pressure can damage the delicate blood vessels in your eyes, leading to a condition called hypertensive retinopathy. This can cause blurry vision or even lead to more severe vision problems over time. Not exactly the way you want to start your day, right? To make things worse, the nitrates and preservatives found in processed meats trigger inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, which can accelerate eye damage. Think of it like rust forming on your vision over time. The damage builds up and your eyes suffer. So, while eggs are packed with nutrients that are great for your eyes, pairing them with processed meats like bacon or sausage turns a healthy breakfast into a not-so-friendly one for your vision. If you want to keep seeing clearly, it's best to swap out those processed meats for something a little kinder to your eyes. Maybe eggs and spinach? Your vision will thank you for the upgrade. Number 2. Eggs and sugary beverages, e.g. soda or sugary juice. Eggs and sugary beverages like soda or sugary juice may sound like an innocent pairing, but this combination is a recipe for disaster when it comes to your vision. Eggs on their own are a protein-packed powerhouse that supports your health in numerous ways. But when you add a sugary drink to the mix, it's like inviting trouble to the party. Sugary beverages are packed with, you guessed it, sugar. Consuming high amounts of sugar spikes your blood glucose levels, and this constant sugar roller coaster can lead to insulin resistance, setting the stage for type 2 diabetes. Once diabetes comes into play, your eyes are at serious risk. Diabetic retinopathy, a condition that damages the blood vessels in your retina, is a common complication. And let's not forget about cataracts, another vision stealer that diabetes loves to bring along. By pairing eggs with a sugary drink, you're effectively canceling out all the benefits of the eggs. The healthy protein in eggs, which should help regulate your blood sugar, is no match for the sugar overload from the soda or juice. Over time, this unhealthy habit can wreak havoc on your eyes and overall health. So, while eggs are a great choice for breakfast, ditch the sugary drinks. Swap that soda or juice for water, green tea, or even a small glass of unsweetened juice. Your eyes and your future self will thank you. Number 3. Eggs and refined carbs, e.g. white bread or pastries. Eggs and refined carbs, like white bread or pastries, might seem like a classic breakfast, but for your eyes, it's more like a recipe for trouble. Eggs are full of healthy proteins and nutrients that support your body, but refined carbs don't pull their weight in this team up. Refined carbs, such as white bread or sugary pastries, are digested quickly, causing a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Over time, these blood sugar spikes can lead to insulin resistance and increase your risk of type 2 diabetes. And when diabetes enters the picture, it brings some nasty consequences for your eyes. Conditions like cataracts, glaucoma, and retinopathy are all far more likely to develop when your blood sugar is constantly out of control. Pairing eggs with refined carbs essentially negates the benefits of the eggs. Instead of stabilizing your blood sugar, you're setting yourself up for a roller coaster of sugar highs and crashes. Over time, this can severely impact your vision. You might not notice it right away, but poor dietary habits can silently contribute to long-term damage. So, while eggs are a fantastic choice to kickstart your day, think twice before pairing them with refined carbs. Swap out the white bread for whole grains, like whole wheat toast or oatmeal, to keep your blood sugar steady and your vision sharp. Your eyes will appreciate the thoughtful choice, and so will the rest of your body. These combinations can contribute to the development of chronic conditions that negatively affect eye health, leading to vision problems over time. Thanks for watching.